Wrapped as an edible, allergy-free, biodegradable plastic.
And the walls of there, that's mimicking the seeds
On the soil trace, certified kitchen.
and it's the stuff.
Why is the Kaitiakitanga Project important to New Zealand? It sits right at the heart of the theme of New Zealand's Pavilion at Expo 2020. So we've taken our theme of care for people and place based on the principle of Kaitiakitanga.
My name is Brooke Moore and I'm a Year 12 student from Tahara College in Taupo.
I'm Olivia Moore and I'm a Year 12 student at Tahara College.
My name's Sam Wixon, I'm Year 12 at Havelock North High School.
We are Te Tui Tui Mā Tauranga, which means the binding of knowledge. We are from St John's College in Hawke's Bay.
Together with Rights in Seeds and Plant and Food Research New Zealand, we've been able to develop a drought-tolerant seed that uses 30% less water.
My company is Wrapped, an edible, allergy-friendly, biodegradable plastic wrap alternative.
Top That Meal Toppers, the gourmet allergen-friendly meal toppers designed to take meals to the next level.
My business is Te Kaitiakitanga. The aim is to create an alternative to polystyrene bins, which are used in the fisheries industry. So my idea is to mimic bull kelp.
And we wanted to target New Zealand's next generation of innovators and entrepreneurs as a way of both promoting Kaitiakitanga and care for people and place, but also engaging them with Expo.
This is my second year in this program and I've really enjoyed it because there's so many opportunities.
One of my favourite things about the Young Enterprise scheme is that there's challenges throughout the year, so those challenges kind of entice you to complete things like business plans or pitches that you wouldn't normally want to do.
It enables me to take part in sort of real world things. It's those real experiences where you're able to connect with different people out in the workforce, and it allows you to really push yourself and see what you can do. Kaitiakitanga to me obviously is caring for people and place, but it's also about the way you work with the people and with the place.
Guardianship of all life on Earth, so humans, animals and the plants.
With global warming and how water is going to become a scarce resource, each of us need to monitor our own footprint.
We look after our environment because our environment looks after us. In order to look after our environment, we need strong communities, a strong economy.
We're solving an issue that we are going to have to face in the future.
We have lived our whole lives experiencing these effects.
We want to see the Kaitiakitanga Project work from primary school to secondary school so that the concept and value of caring for people and place is something that sort of being fulfilled from generation after generation.